Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Audiosource 2.1 Soundbar. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. 2.1 channel 240 watts peak power soundbar. Experience a powerful home theater upgrade with 240 watt of total system output. Dual 30 watt stereo drivers deliver clear dialogue and detailed mid-range, while the 60 watt wireless subwoofer adds deep, cinematic bass that fills the room. Dolby Atmos 1.8 surround sound. Advanced processing enhances clarity, dialogue precision, and spatial realism, bringing movies, games, and music to life in every direction. Dolby Atmos technology creates spacious, cinematic audio that moves all around you for a more engaging home theater experience. Wireless subwoofer for deep bass. Feel every beat and explosion with a 5.25-inch downfiring wireless subwoofer. Place it anywhere in your room to customize bass impact without dealing with cables or clutter. Enjoy premium audio, clarity and spaciousness simultaneously. Bluetooth 5.3 streaming and multiple inputs. Connect effortlessly to your smartphone, tablet, or PC with ultra-stable, low-latency streaming and fast multipoint pairing. Enjoy flexible wired connections with HDMI, EARC, optical, USB, and AUX input for effortless device pairing. Compact, low-profile design. Slim enough to fit neatly under your TV yet engineered to deliver a surprisingly big, immersive sound stage that fills the room. Control your soundbar with your TV remote. With the HDMI, EARC input, easily connect the included HDMI cable to your TV and your soundbar will turn on/turn off with your TV remote. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.